India, and it's still now existing like COVID. In a one word answer, we can clearly say, guys, okay, like COVID came India at 2000, around 2021 March, I hope, March. So how it is, like it came first wave came and second wave came, and now we are in doubt that whether the third wave will come. If the third wave will come, it will just affect children. Now, so we have a prediction, like we were having, like if a third wave came, so it will affect, or it will children will get affected. Okay, so till now, you like, I hope that the topics that we are going to cover, you have some idea, na? So today's topic is Delta Plus, a virus that is just came from COVID. You can clearly say from China, guys. Okay, so without any delay, let's move into the video. So this is Ashwin, trying to create, and if you want to see my videos, like, do subscribe my channel, and you can find piano of Tamil and Telugu songs, crafts, unboxings, updates like this, and talks or facts on vlog. So these videos I used to I used to stick to contents of these topics. Okay, so without any delay, let's move into the video. So now we have to know what is a Delta Plus. Before that, a history of Delta Plus. Let's, like, a history of India, like we have now. Likewise, we have a history of Delta Plus. So what's that history? Let's see. So the history is nothing. From China, COVID came. COVID variant. We will, like, a scientific name we have given a COVID variant. From COVID variant, the mutation occurred. Now we are having Delta variant. Again, in the Delta variant, mutation occurred. Now, in the current situation, we are having Delta Plus variant. Understand? So this was the history of, or the base of Delta Plus. So now, after this, so you can clearly understand the topics that I'm going to tell you guys. So more than 80 countries, Delta Plus came. Like it was identified in more than 80 countries, and India was one of them, and India was the first country where Delta Plus was found. Understand? Or where the Delta Plus was detected. Okay, so according to the IIT Kanpur, their prediction only, they just not saying yes from September to October, Delta Plus will be in the big. They are just predicting. They are just saying that it will occur, and we are not confirmed about it. They are not confirmed. They are just predicting about it. Okay, what is the prediction? Question mark. The prediction is that according to IIT Kanpur, the Delta Plus will be in the peak on September to October. Now we are having 2 months. Now, like I have taken my video in June, July, August. So June, July, August, September. So we are having a 2 months gap. So it's not too long also and too less also. Medium. We have to wait for it now. And in the present situation of September to October, 2 to 5 lakhs of cases will come per day. Predicting again, just a prediction. Okay, so it's just a version of coronavirus again. And when it was found in India, you have a doubt. When it is found in India, guys, it's April. From April, like it's existing in India from April of, I can't tell you the date because I'm not confirmed. Just April found in India. Like Delta Plus was found in April in India. Another question: why Delta variant is dangerous? Now, it's a common question that we have. Why it is dangerous? When COVID came, that question was also came in every person's mind. Why coronavirus is dangerous? Now we came to know because of its mutation. Again, the same answer. Like if you are having Prime Minister of India, who is the Prime Minister of India? Everyone writes Narendra Modi, na? The current Prime Minister of India, not the first Prime Minister of India. Okay, it's like that. So what I'm just want to convey or the say you is that mutation in the Delta variant make it replicate faster and evade the body's immunity mechanism. A mutation, like COVID mutation occurred in COVID like this. Delta in the Delta variant also mutation occurred, and which makes its replicant faster and avoids the body to mechanism immunity. When you will get immunity, then you can fight with COVID. But what Delta Plus will avoid this immunity mechanism. It will stop or avoid this immunity mechanism. So this was the thing. And now the COVID current situation, if you have to tell this, 50,000 cases and 19% higher than previous day, like yesterday or consecutive, not yesterday, like previous week. Okay, so the COVID was reducing in India when firstly the COVID was reducing in India on May until May to March or January, mainly January it was reducing, and lockdown opened. But now the COVID cases are increasing. Why? A main reason or a question came to every person's mind who are watching this video. Main reason for increasing of COVID is Delta variant. Again, because of the Delta variant, COVID cases increased. So, 19% higher than previous week. So you can just think of. Okay. So now let me tell you a short story of Delta variant. Okay, not Delta plus variant. Okay, COVID came from China. We all know. Okay, and COVID variant. Now this COVID variant came to India. Not only India, each and every country or each and every continent we can tell. Now, India. Now, after India, India have Delta variant. So, rising cases higher in India. So, Delta variant is the rising case higher in India. And now we are having it again mutated itself. Woo, Delta variant. And due to this Delta variant, who is mutating himself, we are giving Delta plus variant, his son or his small version. So now, his Delta Plus is in India or not? It is in India. More concerned by people. Now the government, what the government is trying to say, guys? The government is trying to say it's variant of concern. What's its variant of concern? I have told you. I will explain it. Now also I'm saying I will explain you guys. So where the Delta Plus, where it is found or like identified, you can tell. So in US, UK, in the European side you can find. Okay, or caused, affected. You can use this term. So Delta Plus affecting lungs more. Like COVID was also affected. COVID was also affecting the lungs. Likewise, Delta is affecting lungs more than COVID. You can just think of, because due to the effect of lungs, people are dying, people are losing their life. Now this is saying that it's mutating himself as well as it's like affecting the lungs more than COVID. It has more power to win without win with our immune system. So in the case of coronavirus, if your immune system is well, you win and the coronavirus loses itself. But at the case of Delta Plus, it has more power to win your immune system also. Like just like a game also. Like you are here and coronavirus here, or your immune system is there and coronavirus. So at the case when if you eat good food and like healthy food, so you win and automatically this coronavirus lose itself. And now at the case of Delta Plus, you eat anything. आप कुछ like you eat anything, then also the Delta Plus will only win, or it will not, like it will just take your immune system as just a piece of dust, like a twinkle of water, drop of water. Delta Plus was mainly found in three states in India. What are these states? Maharashtra, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh. So these states were mainly affected to due to the water, due to Delta Plus. Okay, so 40 samples, 40 cases were there due to Delta Plus in India and in six districts. What are the six districts? Six districts in three states. Again, the Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Kerala. Okay, so now we came to the topic: what is variant of concern? So before that, variant of concern is according to the government is saying that be safe. There is a virus spreading. Just they are announcing you all guys that there is a virus like Delta Plus. Be safe, guys. Stay home. Stay safe. So according to government, there are three variant. Okay. So first is variant of interest, variant of concern, and variant of high consequences. Okay, what are these? Variant of interest, variant of concern, variant of high consequences. So now we are going to see it one by one. Okay, firstly, variant of interest. Now just announcing you all guys, there is a virus across India, so you have to be stay safe. Now, a variant of concern came. Be safe. There is a there is a virus as Delta Plus, and it has been affecting when the cases have started now, and we are in the stage of variant of concern. Now, variant of high consequences. What is this? Problem causes. Problem came. Now the problem was invented by India. So now problem came. Problem most of the people are affected by Delta Plus. So then it comes variant of high consequences. So this was about the three variants. So when it is identified, like where it is identified, so totally there are 440 cases. I will tell you, as I have told you, there are totally 40 cases. And now where it is identified, where they are existing now, where they are located, and if you're the one of the state, be safe. Okay, so Maharashtra 21 cases. I'm just telling with the cases also. Maharashtra 21 cases, Madhya Pradesh 6 cases, Kerala 3 cases, Tamil Nadu 3 cases, Karnataka 2 cases, Punjab 1 cases, Andhra Pradesh 1 cases, Jammu and Kashmir again 1 cases. So it's not only spreading in one state, we can see now. It's spreading in different parts of the different India. It's different states in different India. It can be a district, even a village, you can say, or rural areas. Like if it just spread in only one state, like if it is like we can clearly see that in Maharashtra there are high cases, 21 cases, the half of the cases, so the total of 40 cases, and half of the cases are 21 who are having Maharashtra. So if it is not only spreading in Maharashtra, it's spreading in whole India in different places, like in Delhi, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Kim, Assam. These places there is not affected now with this the Delta now. So now, as we can clearly say that it is not only affected in only one state. It is affecting in different states or different parts of India. Okay, not in all parts, but what the government is trying to say that these states are affected, so don't visit these states. Okay, so likewise, let me tell you, I am affected. So what I am having coronavirus, or I'm having Delta Plus. So likewise we are having a test that whether I am having a coronavirus, so I have to take a test. Yeah. So likewise, a test or research in lab was also taken when at April end or the May starting winter. So the government is telling if Delta Plus is identified in any state, take immediate action without any delay. Why it's saying? Because to stop the power of Delta virus. Likewise, we have not stopped the power of coronavirus, and now it's being a severe case now. So the government is trying to say that if any of the state Delta Plus is identified, please take immediate action without any delay. Okay, if there is a third wave of coronavirus came, if it will come to India, obviously now. So, and we can clearly say that it is just affecting children's. It will just affect children's, and that will be because of Delta Plus. And if we control the power of Delta Plus, so this we can escape from this third wave of coronavirus. I hope. How we can protect from this Delta Plus? Likewise, we are having a vaccination again. Likewise, we are having a vaccine for COVID also, coronavirus also, like Sarvaco, Covaxin we are having, and on a COVID Shield also we are having. So these three vaccination. So likewise, we are having a vaccine. We are like they are telling that if you put a vaccination, so they are telling that one if you put one vaccination offer for burger. This is so funny, guys. And in Indigo, yeah, Indigo. So if you are vaccinated, so offers will be given according to it. Okay, so giving offers to encourage or to put vaccine, they are just telling if you put vaccine we will give you some offers. So that was the matter. And now Harshini have told that at the starting IIT Kanpur studied. So now IIT Kanpur have told you that they are telling that predictions only, from September to October there will be a peak of Delta Plus now. So how they came to know about it? So they have studied about the first to second wave of COVID, and they have to given us a one condition. What is one the condition? Worst case scenario. What's this worst case scenario? Not like it's just worst. We can't do anything at this stage, so that is known as worst case scenario. Like all the people are affected of COVID or Delta Plus, so that is known as worst case scenario. Understand? So not like it's not, it will be not worse than the second wave now we are affecting. Okay, now so what they are trying to say, from September to October the Delta Plus will be at the peak level. They are just predicting, and they are not confirmed also. And and cases will be about 2 to 5 lakhs per day. Keep in mind that per day. So I'm just conveying you the message that be safe, and please escape from this Delta Plus. Stay home, stay safe. So at the end, I will tell you one short brief, and then I will in my video. So that in West Bengal, children are admitted due to the COVID situation. So like when clearly see that the doctors are predicting that again this will be a third wave of COVID. Like I am telling again and again that the third wave of COVID will have only affect, not only will affect children, mostly it will affect children now. So the doctors are telling, like the doctors are predicting that whether this is the third wave or not. So do comment in the comment section if you think that this is the third wave or not, and will third wave will come to India? Will the India will invite or give an invitation to third wave of coronavirus? And the third wave of coronavirus will only because of Delta Plus. I'm again and again saying it will be only because of Delta Plus. Okay, so do comment in the comment section with the reason, guys, because I have to also know. And if you have no reason, so just do comment. Okay, so if you want any query, if you have, so do comment in the comment section. So till then, signing off, Harshini, trying to create. Bye bye, stay tuned. We'll come with some new topic in the next video.